Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to install the extension on Google Chrome, and this one will apply also on Microsoft Edge and Firefox. I think you can do that on Safari, but I'm not sure. So we're not going to talk about what is the extension, what it does. Let's simple way, layman's terms. This extension blocks the pop-ups, advertisings, and other stuff, the malicious codes. That's a simple explanation. I can fit it in this video because I want this one to be very short. So um, now, when you open make sure you are logged in the browser because this is very important stuff to be logged in. Create your profile with the Gmail if you're using the Google Chrome. So click on the upper corner here, three dots, upper right corner, and then make sure your browser is up to date. To check that the up to date, if you're up to date, come down here, click on help and about the Google Chrome, and this check mark is blue, and you are up to date. Okay, so we'll go back again, and newer browsers um, newer browsers has the extension right here now. Used to it was in the more tools. Now they made it visible, and here it is, and manage extensions. Once when you click on that, you'll see how many extensions you have installed. Those are I'm using. Maybe not the Google Docs because I have Microsoft Office anyway. I can just remove that. So remove the extension, just click on the remove, and that's it. So the translator I'm using, and this is the extension, the ad blocker I'm using as well, the AdGuard. They call the AdGuard. So you can enable this extension or disable. So this is a disable mode, and the extensions shows up right here, upper corner, right upper corner. So right now it's disabled, this extension. I want to make it enabled. Just click on it, and it is enabled. So also you can make the extension visible all the time. You just click on this pin, and it will show up there. So we know that these are the extensions. We're going to use it for the browsing. So how to install this and where to find it? So you need to click on, once when you are in the extension place, the manage extensions, then you got to click on this, the left upper corner, this three lines over here, and this is the way I'm doing. You may find a different way, but this is it's up to you. It's not mandatory to do that way, but I'm showing you how I do that. So open browser, open Chrome Web Store, click on that, and in the search here, uh, type it here, AdGuard. There are tons of different pop-up blockers. I like this one. I've been using the more than 5 years, I believe, and I'm very pleased. It has a 56,000 almost 5-star review. So when you click on that, uh, in here, I have already installed. So let's do that. Let's repeat that step. I'm gonna remove this extension, and I'm going to add to the browser. That's how it's going to look like on your browser. Okay, click on add to the Chrome, and add extension. It will do some magic stuff, blinking and stuff like that, and eventually, depends how fast is your computer, it will install very quickly. And then we got to bypass this first section because if you're not using this extension for other devices, or you don't want to purchase the commercial version, this is the free version, by the way. Then bypass this first one, and then here I select all these first four, and skip it the last one, because if you are a developer, then you can have at this one participate with the help and stuff like that. But I'm not a developer, so and go to the extension settings, but here don't change anything. So that's it. It's already installed. and activate it also. So close all this stuff here, this one here. And now we're in the extensions here. And now it shows you here we have this one installed. It proves here as well. Extension was installed. It's here, but it's not visible all the time. Remember the first time I told you how to make it visible? Just click on the pin and that's it. So when you browse, let's go to advertising. I mean the YouTube. I mean, YouTube administration probably don't like that we're doing it, but sometimes these advertisings are annoying. Um, I mean, I don't know. Whatever is the ethic terms, just you that's up to you. Okay, but right now I really don't want to just show up some kind of kiddie stuff here or whatever stuff what at the advertising. I don't want to do that, just watch that. So and then usually you can click on skip ad and advertisings will go away. But right now, we have not refreshed this page. If I will refresh this page, and you saw how the advertisings are popping up, you saw this one over here, it's counting down the numbers. So that means it's blocking the advertisings. I don't want to be political today. Let's click on the trading something. Um, any other stuff? Anything you click right now, there is no advertisings. Okay, so it's eating up the advertisings. If I disable that, let's see what happens. There we go. The advertising just started popping up right away. Okay, there we go, another advertising. Now every video has advertising. If I click on that enable, the advertising will not show up. So here is another trick. This ad guard blocks every website. It does not care it's your college website or bank website or whatever website. So I want to go to bank website, for example, and I don't want this ad guard to monitor my bank. So we know the bank is safe and yeah, I'm going to stop this. And let's go to Chase. Okay. Make sure, guys, when you type something, the Chase or any website, make sure if you know the website full name, let's say www.chase.com or myc.net or .org, whatever it is. If you don't know the name, for example, let's say I'm using without .com and in the search result, just click on the Chase, right? So in the search result, we see here a lot of stuff. Sometimes the first one comes up something else. Maybe they're using the Chase. Maybe they could be the referral or something else, and that will show up in the first, and the people click on first one, and that uh, the search result can be the vulnerable, and that they can be the some behind the link can be some kind of malicious code, and I can execute and I just screw up your browser or may install some kind of crazy stuff, keylogger, whatever. But that's why this extension, the EdGuard extension is very good. So let's get to the point. Let's click on this main one because it says the HTTPS and this is secured website. The padlock is there. Okay, so we are in the chase right now, right? So I don't want this extension monitor the chase. This only that particular website. Okay, so you click on that on the extension, and I'm going to disable that. So I'm telling this extension not to monitor this website only. Okay, any websites you go, let's say in the YouTube, refresh that, that will be activated. And any website, okay, let's go to my website, for example, This is my website, and that's monitoring right now. I can disable that on my website. Okay, so I don't have any advertisings, but I'm running my video here, working on the data recovery. So basically that's what it does, your extension here. And it is very effective, and you will like that once when you start using it. I don't know if it works on the phone. I've tried it, but a phone has some limited um, app resources, and it won't be able to install on certain browsers like a Google Chrome or yeah, the Safari or Microsoft Edge. So this is it for now, and now you know how to install, disable, or remove the extensions to keep your browser safe. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any comments, please subscribe and leave the comment there, and I will be glad to answer your questions.